Parents, tired of store-bought snacks loaded with sugar and artificial ingredients? It can be so frustrating to find a healthy option that your kids will actually enjoy. Many of these snacks are marketed as healthy, but are often filled with hidden sugars and preservatives that do more harm than good. What if I told you that you could make your own healthy protein bars at home that are not only nutritious but fun for your kids to create? Imagine turning snack time into a fun family activity where everyone gets involved. It's a great way to bond and teach your kids about healthy eating habits. These protein bars are packed with whole grains, fruits, and nuts, perfect for fueling your kids' energy throughout the day. Whole grains provide essential nutrients and fiber, while fruits add natural sweetness and vitamins. Nuts are a fantastic source of healthy fats and protein, making these bars a well-rounded snack. Plus, they're super easy to make, no baking required. This means you can whip up a batch in no time, even on a busy weekday. The no-bake aspect also makes it safer and more convenient for kids to participate in the preparation process. Did you know that snacks made with whole grains and nuts help your kids stay full longer and keep their energy up? Unlike sugary snacks that cause energy spikes and crashes, these protein bars provide sustained energy, helping your kids stay active and focused throughout the day. Plus, it's a great way to sneak in some extra fiber and protein. Fiber aids in digestion and keeps your kids feeling full, while protein is essential for growth and development. These bars are a perfect way to ensure your kids are getting the nutrients they need without them even realizing it. Imagine a snack that's chewy, crunchy, and just the right amount of sweet, and you made it with your kids. The combination of textures makes these bars enjoyable to eat, and the natural sweetness from the fruits means you don't need to add any extra sugar. Not only are these bars delicious, but they also make a great after-school treat or lunchbox addition. They are portable and convenient, making them perfect for busy families on the go. You can even customize them with your kids' favorite ingredients to make them even more appealing. Best of all, kids love to help. Getting your children involved in the kitchen can be a fun and educational experience. It teaches them valuable cooking skills and helps them understand the importance of healthy eating. From mixing the ingredients to pressing them into the pan, this recipe is perfect for little hands. The steps are simple and straightforward, making it easy for kids of all ages to participate. Plus, they'll feel a sense of accomplishment knowing they helped make their own snacks. Ready to give it a try? Gather your ingredients and get your kids excited about making their own snacks. It's a great way to spend quality time together and create something delicious and healthy. Here's how. Start with 2 cups of rolled oats and 1/2 cup of your favorite nuts. You can use almonds, walnuts, or even a mix of different nuts for added variety and flavor. Add 1/2 cup of dried fruits for sweetness. Think raisins, cranberries, or apricots. These fruits not only add natural sweetness but also provide essential vitamins and minerals. You can even experiment with different combinations to find your family's favorite mix. Mix 1/2 cup of peanut butter and 1/4 cup of honey in a saucepan until smooth. This mixture acts as the binding agent, holding all the ingredients together. You can also substitute peanut butter with almond butter or sunflower seed butter if there are any nut allergies. Pour the peanut butter mixture over the oats and nuts, then stir it all together. Make sure everything is well coated so that the bars hold together nicely. This is a great step for kids to help with, as they can practice their stirring skills. Press the mixture into a lined baking dish and chill in the fridge for 30 minutes. This helps the bars set and makes them easier to cut into pieces. You can use a spatula or even your hands to press the mixture firmly into the dish, and voila! Your homemade protein bars are ready. Cut them into squares or bars and enjoy. They can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for up to a week, making them a convenient snack option for busy days. Give this recipe a try with your kids and share your creations with us in the comments. We'd love to see how your protein bars turn out and hear about any fun variations you come up with. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more fun and healthy snack ideas. Stay tuned for more recipes and tips on how to make nutritious eating a fun and enjoyable part of your family's routine.